Hello, my name is Messay Shiferaw, and I'm the Assistant Regional Administrator for Construction Project in Snohomish, King County area. Today, I wanted to share with you an important project that requires overnight closures of the northbound Highway 99 Duwamish River Bridge in South Seattle.
Why does WSDOT need nighttime closures of the SR 99 Duwamish River Bridge?
So WashDOT is focused on maintaining a state of good repair, ensuring the safety and integrity of our bridges. Nighttime closures on the northbound Highway 99 Duwamish River Bridge, sometimes referred as First Avenue South Bridge, are necessary to replace sections of the metal bridge deck. For the safety of drivers and the people working on the bridge, we need up to 14 nights of full closures only on the northbound direction. There will be no closure on the southbound direction.
When will the work take place?
So work on the First Avenue South Bridge will start in early July. We will announce the exact dates as soon as we know. Full closures will typically take place between 10 p.m. and 5 a.m., Sundays through Thursdays. And our goal is to finish the work in August.
What can people expect to see?
So people traveling northbound on Highway 99 and State Route 509 will need to plan ahead and use detours on the nights the bridge is closed. We continue to work with Seattle DOT on detour routes, which includes taking I-5, taking East Marginal Way, taking Tequila International Boulevard, and 14th Avenue South Park Bridge.
What will WSDOT contractor crews do on the bridge?
So the plan is to remove 14 sections of the metal bridge deck one at a time and replace them. Each section is 26 feet long by 6 feet wide, and it takes several hours to replace each one.
Why do these sections need to be replaced?
So we do need to replace these sections to keep the bridge in a state of good repair. Some of these sections are near the end of their lifespan, and replacing them extends the life of the bridge and definitely helps avoid emergency closures and repairs.
Why is this work being done now? Couldn't it have been done earlier when there was less traffic?
So we are doing this work as soon as we can. However, we do need to get permission from the U.S. Coast Guard to keep the bridge in the down position if it affects marine traffic. And we did that in late February.
Thanks, Messay. To conclude this report, we have a couple of short video clips that display the condition of some of the deck panels that will be replaced. Thanks for watching.